Hi guys, and welcome back to askNK. In today's episode of Free Friday, we'll be sharing free 3 bundle and also where you can get free back textures. All right, so these are things that you can use for your project without licensing issues and all that. And how you can get this is if you go over to the Alta 49 movie Gumroad. I'm going to put links in the description so you don't need to bother about that. You will be able to see that he has a professional forest bundle, which is here, and a couple of other things that are here. These things are very high quality stuff, but you have to pay about $1 to get these other ones. For this particular one, that is the professional forest bundle, I'm going to explain how you can get it for free. And now something like this goes for about $1. So if you go ahead and click on this link here, you notice that it says you have to pay $1 before you can get something like this. And this features 17 assets that are made in OBJ files. They all have level of details, which simply means that they can go from about 100,000 polygon all the way to 600,000 polygon, depending on how far your camera is and how much you want to interchange these things. And other things that you can find from here is that the texture qualities are super high, so they move from 4K all the way up, and these are things that you would want to use for your production. You can also see that they have different texture maps that you may want to use, so depending on what you're looking for, this might be the best asset for you to use when it comes to dealing with trees. And so for you to be able to get this, how you can go around is there is a link here which takes you to the Facebook page. And so if you jump over to the Facebook page, you find out that they have a couple of links that you may want to go through. So once you come down to the first one, which is here, that was posted just not long ago, if you go ahead and click this particular link, it takes you to where you can find this asset for free. And now you can see that instead of having the $1, we're having a $0 plus, and the $0 plus simply means you can pay either $0 or you can pay $1 extra to actually get this. But in case you're not having the amount, or in case you're not having as much money as you would like, but in case you don't have $1 around, so definitely you can get this for free by just pressing 0 here and pressing the enter key. You supply the email and then you can be able to get this. If you are feeling lucky and you want to support this artist, go ahead and come back to this part and support the artist. Basically, I would advise you go ahead and support this artist. $1 is not so much for you not to have, but in case you don't have this, you can go ahead and get this particular one. Links are all going to be in the description, so you don't need to bother about going through all these methods to get this done. So links are all going to be in the description. This is another installment of Free Friday, and if you want to check out other videos where we give out free stuff and maybe free assets like free ZBrush files, C brushes that you can use for Photoshop and other things, and maybe you want to also check out free textures and all that, links are also going to be in the description. There is also going to be links in the end note. You can still go over to the channel and check out other free stuff that are available there. This Free Friday is made to ease out the burden of you trying to get certain tools or trying to get certain models or things that you would want to use for your project. And so this is why Free Friday was born. Go ahead and leverage this idea. Go to the channel, download as much things as you would want to use for your project, and get lucky with them. There are also tutorials and reviews that exist on the page. Go ahead and check them out and see which of them you'll be interested in. Also, don't forget that we're doing a giveaway at the end of the month, so keep an eye for that. Probably you'll be lucky to get a license. And if you like this video, simply give it a like, and don't forget to share with your friends. And if you're new here, it would be amazing if you can hit the subscribe button and also turn on notifications so you will be the first to know once we release a new video. And until I see you guys again with a tutorial, review, Free Friday, updates, tips and tricks, things like this, peace.